Children, it is activity page 24 for day 19. It is the activity of subtraction of decimals. Just like addition, while subtracting decimals, decimal point of one decimal must be come below the decimal point of the other decimals. While subtracting decimals, decimal point of one decimal must come below the decimal point of the other. So here one example you take 0.70 minus 0.35. Here you observe the decimal points are one below the other. Point is here, and here two digits are there after the decimal point. Here also two digits. So 0.7 is nothing but 0.70. Subtract 5 from this 0. Know that we have to take 1 as a carry. 1 10, 1 0, it becomes 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Here what is remaining? 6. 6 minus 3, 3. So that is the answer here, 0.35. 0.75 minus 0.35. 14 minus 5, 9. And here 4 is remaining. Again 14 minus 9, 5. Here what is remaining? 11. 11 minus 4, 7. 2 is remaining. 2 minus 2, 0. So you got 7.59. 7.59. Then next you take 245.796 minus 78.987. Here you take one number below the other in such a way that the decimal point must come one below the other. How will you write? Write 245.796 minus 78.987. Here the decimal point must one below the other. 78.987. If you subtract here 16 minus 7, you will get 9, and 8 is remaining. 8 minus 8, 0. And here what is remaining? 17 minus 9, 8. Then here 14 minus 8, 6. Then here what is remaining? Here 3 is remaining. 13 minus 7, 6, 1. So you got 166.809. Here if 78.987 is subtracted from 245.796, you will get, what you will get? 166.809. Next you take 4.90 minus 0.64. 74.65 minus 27.73. Then 423.583 minus 270.675. Here also you take one below the other. Point must come one below the other. Then 7.35 minus 3.06. 78.27 minus 53.45. 762.067 minus 0.684. Here you observe 762.067 minus 0.684. So 7 minus 4, 3. And here 16 minus 8, 8. You know that here 9. 9 minus 6, 3. And 1 is remaining, 1. So you will get 761.383. And also you take 8.54 minus 2.75. 45.574 minus 24.980. Here 4 minus 0 is 4. And here what is remaining? 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. 4 is remaining. 14 minus 9, 5. Here 4 is remaining. 4 minus 4, what you will get? 0. Then again 4 minus 2 is 2, 20.594. Next you take then 82.834 minus 43.675 minus 23.360, and here find the sum of these two. After getting sum of the two, subtract that sum from 82.834. 43.675, 23.360, then 7 plus 6, 13, and 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7, and 4 plus 2, 6. Now you take this 82.834 minus 67.037, 67.037, then here we have to subtract. Here minus minus you will get minus, then 82.834 minus 67.037, 14 minus 7, 7, then here 2 is remaining, 12 minus 3, 12 minus 3 is 9, and 7 is remaining, and here 12 minus 7 is 5, then 7 minus 6 is 1. So you got 15.797. That is the answer here. Next you take 4.53 minus 3.85, then 67.404 minus 06.376. Here also find the sum of these two. 74.765 minus 52.053 minus 32.651. First you get the sum of these two, minus 52.053 and minus 32.651. After getting that sum, subtract that sum from the 74.765. Then you take 9.47 minus 3.56, 52.057 minus 0.832, 90.564 minus 38.465 minus 0.432. Here you take these two one below the other and find their sum. Minus minus is there, so as they are having same sign, add them and subtract that sum from 90 minus 564. Then 3.52 minus 0.55, 93.382 minus 69.732, then 8.101 minus 2.234 minus 0.460. Here you take 2.234 and 0.460, 4, and 3 plus 6, 9, 6 to here. Then you write 8.101 minus 0.460, then 1, then it is 10 minus 6 is 4. Here what is remaining? 1 is remaining, 0 is remaining, 10 minus 6, 10 minus 4 is 6, then 7 minus 0, 7. So here you will get 7.641. In this way, subtract all this by using the correct rule.